All right, so Pomelli, if you haven't seen it, is a free AI marketing tool from Google Labs. It launched back in October 2025, and Google has been shipping updates aggressively. October, they launched Business DNA, which scans your website and learns your brand. Then January this year, they added Animate, which turns static images into videos using Weo 3.1. And now they added Photoshoot, which uses Nano Banana to turn a single product photo into studio quality shots. Now, I'll be honest, AI product photography isn't really new. There are paid tools that really do a good job. But what makes Pomelli interesting is the full pipeline. You're not just getting a pretty picture, you're also getting brand extraction, product photography, campaign creation, and video all in one single and, mind you, free tool. So let me walk you through the whole thing today. I'm going to start from scratch, take a product, run it through Pomelli end to end, and show you what a small business owner or someone who is in the marketing team can actually get done in less than 10 minutes. Quick disclaimer, all opinions are my own and do not belong to my employer. All right, with that, let's get into it. So today I'm going to take you through 5 different use cases that you can do using Pomelli. And for that, I'm going to select a real business, which is brooklyncandlestudio.com. So here are the 5 use cases we're going to look at in the next few minutes. Number one, how do you really create studio quality product photos from a single image, keeping all the brand aesthetics, brand tone, and all of those things in mind? Number two, generating lifestyle content for Instagram, again, keeping the brand aesthetics and everything in mind. Number three, building a full seasonal marketing campaign. Number four would be turning those assets into video for Reels and TikTok. And number five will be exploring new creative concepts with different types of AI prompts, all from one tool, which is going to be Google Pomelli. So in order for you to access Google Pomelli, you will have to come to labs.google.com, and then you will be greeted with this particular landing page. So here you will see that you're able to create the business DNA. And for that, you just need to provide the link to the website, and you can go ahead and provide that. And I'm doing this in front of you right now. So what it is going to do is it is going to analyze this entire website, and it is going to get as much as possible from this particular website. So it will gather the kind of colors the website has used. It will also gather potentially the pictures and all of those things from the website, so that it already has a repository built in. So when you're creating the campaign, it already got what you needed, right? So that's what it is doing right now. It says it takes about 10 minutes, but usually it does a pretty good job, and it's pretty fast to do this. So we'll give it a few minutes and we'll come back once it is done. All right, so it has done its job, and you can see that it has identified the business DNA, it has got the tagline, it has got the brand values, brand aesthetics, brand tones, and also the business overview. And it was also able to extract all of these different images. So you have the business DNA available to you. So, click on looks good, and now you are inside the Pomelli platform. You can already see that there is a notification about try the new Photoshop feature. So we're going to obviously go ahead and try it. But you can see here that they have also improved the way you can create the campaigns. So now you can actually directly describe if you want to create a campaign about a product. So you can give the product link, or you can upload an image, or you can look into different particular aspect ratios. They already do a good job by providing you some suggestions for the campaign. So you can see that these are all the different suggestions they're giving. And the key thing here to note is, for example, if I click on this, these are all the product images that they actually got from the website, right? Which is very cool. So again, this is the way you are able to generate something very quickly if you are in marketing and do not have enough time. Now, what you can also do is you can go ahead and let's say that I'm interested in this particular scent. So I'm going to select this particular link and add this link over here. And now it is going to extract the product directly from that link, and then you're able to create a campaign based on the product that it has extracted. So this is another really cool latest feature that they have added. So now it was able to extract all the 4 different products, like super cool, right? You can see it's all here, but it was able to do that, and you can select the one that you want. So I'm gonna go with with probably this one, and I'm going to say looks good. And then I can just describe a campaign here. So let's say I'm just going with a campaign like fragrance for every season, and I'm going to click on generate ideas. Again, I could have selected different types of aspect ratios. This clearly is. Some of it will go to Instagram, some of it is for TikTok, and some of it for YouTube Shorts, etc. Right? So this designed for social media. So while that is working, what we can do is look into this new brand new feature, which is creating a product photo shoot. So I'm going to click on this, and let's say that I'm going to look into another, let's say, floral product over here. And let's say that I like this love portion. So I'm just going to save this image and upload that image. There are a lot of images which are already available. So you could have selected those, but I just selected the one which is here. And then once you select the storyline, let's say square, then they are also able to populate all of these templates for you, right? This is like a flat lay template. This is studio. This is in use, means if your product, this is like a candle, however you're using the candle, that will come. And then this is contextual. So let's say that I want to select contextual, and these are all the different ones that these are for general. You can see all these beautiful templates which are out there, right? Really depending on the kind of product that you have, you are able to select one. Right here they have given us four, so and they have already recommended you can unselect and select anything else. So if you are selling like a beauty product, then these are all the different ones that you can select. If you're selling like fashion, these are the ones that you can select. Consumables, these are the ones that you can select. So depending on the products that you sell, you're able to go ahead and select that, right? And then you click on create photo shoot, and then it's going to do its magic based on the template that you have selected. And this usually would take a lot of time because you have to create all of these different types of settings, but they have made it very easy because now you also have the right template to go with the kind of product that you sell. So we'll give it a few seconds, and then we'll come back once it has generated these photo shoots. All right, looks like it has done its job, and you can see it was able to generate these different types of photo shoots. If I click on, this is the product on laying flat. This is the products laying vertical. This is the one which is really interesting because this is the one where, based on the product that you have, they are able to create a product in use, which is fantastic. Someone lighting the candle. And this is really more contextual, right? So all of these, you're able to generate this. And the beauty of this is you're also able to add more here. So maybe I'll say that make this during evening with Christmas lighting in the background. So let's say that I asked it to make that change, right? Make this kind of evening and with a Christmas lighting in the background. So it's going to work on that, and it is going to generate like a completely different image. So what you can do is you can continue to add different images and change it. So it was able to do that very quickly. Now you can see that the background is completely changed based on this, right? So you can add a lot of these different variations. Add a puppy on the bed. So let's say that again, like I'm adding all of these additional prompts so that I can create new types of images based on the ones that I've already got. Now, remember, these are contextual because this is placed, the product is placed based on a context of what is going to be relevant. You can see a beautiful puppy and some Christmas decorations over here. This is really good. So this was the photo shoot one that I wanted to show. I already covered 4 different use cases over here. And while this was working, we can also already save this together. So it will save it as a zip file and you're able to use this. Now we can go back to the campaign, and here we already had created the campaign. For example, fragrance for every season. So I'm going to click on this, and you will see that it was able to generate these campaigns based on the messaging that we wanted to give, right? So positioning the candle as an essential element on the modern minimalistic lifestyle. And again, like it is automatically picking this up from the website, but creating this messaging based on the campaign that I want to run and create, which is very cool. They had introduced this animate feature, which is where it is able to also generate a video for that particular message. So you can add this as a video or a GIF file, and that is something which you're able to do very quickly. All of this completely free of cost right now. And you can see not just one, but they created like 3 different campaigns. And once I click on this, it starts generating the assets, right? So that's what it's doing right now. And you already have like multiple different campaigns available for you. You can see very clear understanding of what are the different types of assets that are created. Now, within each asset, you're also able to change the header, which is over here. You can change the color, you can change the description. You can also like add a call to action. So a lot of this is now given for your control. So you can probably understand how you are able to move very quickly based on the kind of business that you have in order to create all of these different types of campaigns and assets. With Photoshoot available, you can literally take any product from your listing and ask Pomelli to create a Photoshoot with different types of templates depending on the product that you have. So that's pretty fascinating what you can do with it right now. We'll go back to the campaign and just check if it was able to generate the animate, and it was. So this is what you're able to see. It just lit the candle and did a zoom in, which is really interesting and very natural. So really combining the power of Veo 3.1 and Banana Pro with the marketing knowledge that obviously Google has. Fantastic, fantastic way to look at this. All right, so let's just step back and look at what we did. We started with almost nothing, just a website URL. Pomelli scanned it, built the business DNA, understood the brand. Then we took a single product image from their listing and ran it through Photoshoot. Got studio shots, flat lays, lifestyle images, and even customized scenes with AI prompts. We built a full seasonal campaign with multiple assets, edited the messaging, and turned one of those assets into a video, all without leaving the tool. That's the 5 use cases that I wanted to share with you: product photos, lifestyle content, campaigns, video, and creative exploration from one free tool. Now, is it perfect? I'm not really sure. You're still going to want to touch things up, maybe bring these into Canva or Figma for final polish. And there's no direct publishing to Instagram or Google Ads yet. But for a solo marketer or a small business owner who really needs to move fast, this is really a strong starting point. So that was all I wanted to cover for today. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to this so that you can get notifications whenever I'm releasing a new video. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.